Hey everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you simple odd surface modeling in Blender. This is for beginners, so let's get started. So in object mode, press Shift plus A to area plane. Then press Tab to go to edit mode. Then in edit mode, right click, choose subdivide. Number of cut is 5. Now press 7 to go to top view, then press K to activate the knife tool, then click here. Then press A to choose your angle. I choose this angle and also this one. Then press enter to confirm this. Then select these two edges and press G, then press Z to lock the Z axis and pull down, and the proper value is Z is minus 0.2. Then press enter. So now select these edges, then press E, then lock the Z axis and edge to this one. This is done. So next, activate face selection. Then select this face, then press I to insert. So the proper value is 0.02. Then I'm going to add one loop cut here. So press Ctrl plus R to add a loop cut here. So done. So go to object mode. Here I'm going to add an array modifier. So in the array modifier, the count is 6 and enable match. So now I'm going to add another modifier called simple deform. So I want an origin point. So I'm going to add an empty. So rotate it on the y-axis to 90. In the simple deform, select the empty and change it to bend and set the angle to 360. Then choose axis to Y. So now it's not properly welded. So I'm going to add a weld modifier. So now it's properly welded. So now I'm going to apply all modifiers, apply. So now go to front view and now I'm going to set the proper position. So right click, set origin to geometry, then press 3 first side view and rotate 90 degrees. So then press Shift plus S selection to cursor. Move it above the grid. Then press Ctrl plus A to apply all transforms. Now this is properly centered and above the grid. Next go to edit mode. Select this edge low. Then press E to extrude and S to scale this. Then this is not proper circle. So right click in the loop tools, select circle. This is your default add-on. You can enable it in preferences. So this is free. So once you choose it, it becomes your proper circle. So now press C to extrude, press G, lock the Z axis and pull it down. And I'm going to press S to scale this, then press E again to extrude lock the Z axis. So I'm going to select these two loops, then press Ctrl plus D to bevel these and two segments. So next go to top view, change to vertex mode, then select the bottom part and left part, keep the right part only. Then press delete. So go to object mode and add a mirror modifier and turn on clipping. So next I am going to add holes here. So in object mode, press Shift plus A to add a circle. In the circle, change vertices from 32 to 8. Move it above this object. Place it on top of this object. And turn on wireframe mode. So we can easily place the circle. So like here, I'm going to scale this a little bit like this hole. So then I am moving to the right side and I'm going to keep it here. This will go up. So then I'm going to duplicate and rotate to here. So go to edit mode. I'm going to change the pivot to 3D cursor, not midpoint. So now if we rotate it, rotates from the middle point. So now press Shift plus D to duplicate and rotate, and this is the center point. So yeah, if you want it properly, just enable snapping and choose edge. Now if you rotate, it snaps properly. Now disable snapping. So now it is properly set. So now select the main object, then go to edit mode and go to top view. Make sure we are in top view. Then in edit mode, select the circle objects. Then go to mesh. Here you can see knife project. Just click it. So now you can see the cuts are created. So now I'm going to turn off the circle. I'm going to hide this. No need for this now. So now go to edit mode, go to vertex mode, and now we are going to properly align everything. So now before that, select all and press M and choose by distance. So small distance automatically nets. So now these parts we have to manually adjust. So we can do that, just turn on auto nudge. So now select this point and press G twice. You can easily move this and snap. So I'm going to adjust everything properly. I'm going to add 3 loop cuts here. Then connect these loops. Same thing here. Also here, 3 cuts. Yeah, now it is hidden. Then press 3 to select face mode and select these faces. Then delete. So then I'm going to select this, go to edge mode and I will select these loops. Then also this one, then press E to extrude. So now select these loops, then press Ctrl plus B to bevel this. Now I am going to turn off this wireframe. Now I really like to do this whenever I add a subdivision modifier. I like this shading effect. So I am going to use shade smooth. Now why this is happening? So this mesh is not measured properly. So we can solve this. So turn off the subdivision and here the vertices are not connected properly. So go to vertex and here just select and merge. Okay, now if we enable subdivision, yeah, this looks cool. So now I'm going to apply this mirror modifier and I'm going to turn off subdivisions and I'm going to fill the bottom vertex again. So select these edges and press E to extrude and scale it. So then select this edge and press Ctrl plus D to bevel this. So now I am going to enable subdivision. So like this tutorial, please support me and thank you for watching.